Hello everyone and welcome to this new episode of Geeky Woodworking. This week we build a sandbox. It's going to be a special sandbox that has a section on the top that can be lowered to protect the sand when it rains or from animals. Since the sandbox is going to stay outside for the whole year, it has to be made out of wood that won't rot during the rains or snows that we're going to get. So the best wood for this is cedar. So we've got some 2x6s, 1x8s, and 2x4s made of cedar that we'll be able to use during the project. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a quick version of the build I made in SketchUp, which is a digital platform that allows me to make plans and to print them out so I know what I'm doing when I'm doing this. Let's get to work.
So it turns out that buying the cheapest camera available comes with the cheapest battery available. So we kind of ran into a problem where the battery failed as I was filming the ending of the video. So instead, here are a few pictures I took with my cell phone. All in all, it was a fun project to work with. Now, of course, I had some doubts when I built the mechanism first. I wasn't sure if things were going to work out, but turns out they worked perfectly and the client was very happy. So I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, I would appreciate if you would like and subscribe. But in any case, I hope you had fun and I'll see you next time. Also, a little bonus for the ones that stay to the end of the video. Here's the cutest little client I've ever worked for enjoying the new Sandbox.